In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members on ClickUp. If you're working with a team and want to collaborate more effectively inside your ClickUp workspace, inviting new members is a quick and important step. This allows other people to access your workspace, view the information they need, and contribute based on the role or permissions you assign them. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, open ClickUp and go to your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before inviting anyone, especially if you manage more than one. This is important because the invitation will be sent from the workspace you're currently viewing. Once you're inside the right workspace, look to the top left corner of the screen and click your workspace name. This opens a menu with workspace-related settings and options. From there, find and click People. This section is where you manage who has access to your workspace and how they're set up. After opening the People section, click Invite People. This will bring up the invitation window where you can add a new member. In the email field, enter the email address of the person you want to add. Be sure to type it carefully so the invitation goes to the right person. If you're inviting multiple people separately, it's a good idea to double-check each address before sending. If ClickUp prompts you to choose a role or permissions, select the option that best matches what that person should be able to do in the workspace. For example, some people may need full access to manage tasks and settings, while others may only need more limited access. Choosing the right permissions from the start helps keep your workspace organized and secure. When everything looks correct, click Send Invite. ClickUp will then send an invitation to that person's email address. Once they receive it, they can accept the invite and join your ClickUp workspace. If the person doesn't join right away, they may just need to check their inbox and, if necessary, their spam or junk folder. It's also helpful to confirm that the email address was entered correctly if the invite doesn't seem to arrive. And that's it. That's how to add members on ClickUp quickly and easily, so your team can start collaborating in one shared workspace. Thanks for watching.